My name's Ed Davie. I'm a councillor in the London Borough of Lambeth, where I'm chair of the Health and Adult Social Services Scrutiny Committee. I also work for a mental health charity called NSUN Network for Mental Health, where I am Communications and Engagement Officer. We are the first cooperative council in England, and our leader Cllr Reid has started a cooperative network of councils. The Co-op Council is an attempt to change the delivery model of public services in local government by handing more control to ordinary people, because we reckon, and the evidence seems to suggest, that when you get ordinary people to take control over their own lives and make more decisions about the kind of services that they use, you end up with better services that are bespoke for their needs, which is not only a good thing in terms of democracy, empowering ordinary people to take control of their own lives and services, but also creates efficiencies, because you end up with services that people actually want and need, rather than what we imagine they need in the town hall. And so we think it's a good idea financially and morally. We've got the Lambeth Living Well Collaborative, which is a group of mental health service users and carers who regularly meet with commissioners, both in the council and the NHS, and providers, to discuss their needs, what's working well, what's not working so well, what needs to be changed. In that way, we are directly giving power to the hands of those who use the services and the carers who assist them, and then we can design the services to be appropriate for them, and we can detect any problems that we find. I mean, the key to that is building relations between people, rather than an institution just delivering services to faceless patients or people, service users. You actually build up a relation between the people who provide the services and commission them and the people who use the services, and break down those barriers. You need the senior officers, namely the chief executive down, to buy into the idea, to be convinced that this is the right approach to be taking, and for them to be delivering the political steer that the elected members have given them. Assuming you've got those right people, and I believe we have in Lambeth, they need to reconfigure the organisation to deliver this completely new approach, because we don't feel in Lambeth the way the local authority is set up at the moment to deliver traditional top-down services where you just service people that need services. It's set up properly, so you need to make quite radical changes to the structure of the organisation, the kind of people you've got working there, the kind of training they receive, and the whole kind of ethos and approach. So it's a very ambitious thing to be doing, but it's also an exciting thing to be doing, and if you've got the right officers, they should be excited by the challenge it presents and the fact they've got this new opportunity to be on the cutting edge of doing something really exciting and interesting, and helping the residents live more fulfilled lives. If I was an officer, I'd be excited to work for Lambeth, so you know, it's certainly an exciting place to be a councillor. So you can inspire people. I think that's the thing. This is an exciting opportunity. It's a challenge, but we're going to do something exciting and innovative with it.